Welcome to WizzeBoo, where stories, colors, and fun come alive.
Wow! Look at this purple character! Hello, 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 super learners! Welcome back! Today, we are going to draw and color Sprunki number block 60. Let's start drawing. First, draw one big rectangle for the main body. A nice big body, perfect. Now draw the lower body underneath. A nice pointed base, like a little stand. Now draw 9 vertical lines all the way down. One by one they go in.
Shapes and colors, fun today. Let's go learn the Sprunki way. Yellow, blue.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now draw 9 horizontal lines going across. These lines divide our body into 60 blocks.
Learning songs with every friend. Sprunki, Sprunki, you and me. Learn and play so
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. Now let's draw the face. Draw the eyes, draw the eyelashes, looking so funny and cute.
learning numbers can't be beat. Spin around and pat your knees. Sprunki's song brings
Now draw the smiling mouth. What a cheerful face. And finally, at the very top, write the number 60. Our drawing is complete. I am made of 60 tiny blocks, and I have funny eyelash eyes. Coloring time! First, pick up the black color. Spell black. B-L-A-C-K. Black. Color the eyes black. Did you know? Black is the color of night skies and shiny shoes. Sharp and clear.
Now you know. Count and sing both day and
Now pick up red. Spell red. R-E-D. Red. Color the eye outlines red. Color the eyelashes red too. Fun fact, red is bold and bright, like a fire truck, looking funny and cool.
1, 2, 3, and 4 we go. Learning facts will always grow.
Now pick up pink. Spell pink. P-I-N-K. Pink. Color the smile pink. Fun fact, pink is the color of cotton candy. So sweet.
You and me learn and play so
And now the final color. Pick up purple. Spell purple. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. Color the whole body purple. Fun fact, purple is made by mixing red and blue.
green so bright. Learning feels so warm and right. Jump along, don't stop now. We can learn.
Did you know Sprunki 60 is made of 60 tiny blocks? That is 6 groups of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 60! Wow, amazing!
Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Learning numbers can't be beat. Spin around and pat your knees. Sprunki's song brings learning ease. Sprunki, Sprunki, you and me. Learn and play so
Ooh, let's play a fun game. Can you guess how many colors Sprunki 60 will have? Is it 2? Is it 4? Or is it 4 colors? Shout it out loud.
and sing both day and night. Learning makes the future bright. Sprunki, Sprunki, you and me. Learn and play so happily. Count with joy. 1, 2, 3. Sing this song with Sprunki. Sprunki, Sprunki, you and me. Learn and play so happily. Count with joy. 1, 2, 3. Sing this song with Sprunki. Learning makes you bright in school. Count with
60. Done. Amazing job, super learners. Today you drew a main body, a lower body, and lots of little blocks. Eyes with eyelashes, and a smile with a tongue. And colored every color. white, red, pink, and purple. You are a superstar artist. Give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe and hit the bell. See you next time. Bye-bye. One more fun game before we go. Let's count all the blocks together. Can you keep up? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Wow, you did it! Great counting!
Thanks for watching WizzeBoo. See you next time for more fun adventures.